take a moment to recharge in nature with me. Let's hear the birds sing. Imagine a root growing from the back of your spine all the way down into the earth, all the way to the core, wrapping around the core and giving it a nice hug. Pull back a little bit and allow that energy from that core to go up through your spine, activating each one of your chakras. All the way up through your head, into your crown, continuing up past your crown, all the way to source. All of that energy is circling back to your system from source. All of this energy is past life recall. Enjoy. This session is now closed.